got some cool stuff. Wait till you see.
It's a really solid truck. I'd give $2,500 for this.
I like this.
You're not attached to that one, are you?
We're going up to Aberdeen when we roll up on a 1955 GMC carryall, turquoise and white. We're heading out to Boise to deliver Sarge 48 GMC truck. We got to get back out on the road because there's trucks out there to get. I think it's a 38. I think it's a 38 from what I've seen. Fixing up old trucks is something I've always loved to do. This is a truck I drew in 2003, and now I built it.
He is so creative. He's an artist. He can do anything.
There's nothing like the feeling of dragging something home from the weeds.
See if he needs to be rescued.
And building something that looks like this.
He collects and restores 55 through 59 Chevy and GMC trucks. Sells them all over the world.
This is a project for some people in England.
It's got two transmitter boxes. See that plating goes all the way up to the front end. This is repairable. I like these. Oh, nobody home. Wow. We got a 327, folks. I do have two of these that I think are in perfect condition.
My name's Rick Maylander. I've been down some rough roads in my life, in and out of jail. Every Friday I'd just go out and rob a bank. Didn't get away on one of the high-speed chases. And then they sent me to Leavenworth Penitentiary, and when the bus pulled up in front of that one, I kind of had a life-changing moment. I looked at that building and it's like, what have you done now?
Our plan for this summer was to be building my business because we had just moved,
And we
leased
put
some property.
our whole
And we
life
put
savings into what we got. At least we got the property. And this property, we own both sides of the Malala River and part of this island. Nobody's lived on it for 100 years. It's old growth forest. It's like its own little ecosystem. It's so beautiful.
But my ultimate goal is to put together a collection of working trucks. I'm talking about the dump truck, the tow truck. A fire truck. Things like that, of 55 to 59 Chevy and GMC trucks. A nice collection to put together that for future generations to look back and see. I mean, look at Tinker over there. And that's the original paint?
Yep. There isn't a whole lot, like I said, the only thing that's not original is the air cleaner. And I didn't clean the motor. I figured you'd just as soon see it. It should be rust free. I mean, I don't think. Wow. Like I was telling her, it's never sat. My dad he hated sitting down.
I'm glad.
It's never.
Glad he hated that.
It's been in a shed. It's never sat out in winter or anything. It's.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So awesome.
Oh, another thing, my uncle, this auxiliary fuel tank, it's got an extra fuel tank that I don't know if I would use it.
Yeah.
It's on the. But that's the.
Does the
this is a
two-speed rear end work?
Oh yeah, it
Is
works
that
like
vacuum or electric?
No, it's electric. It works. Yeah, it works great.
Do you need to choke it when you
I don't
start
think
it?
you'll even need to choke it. I just pump it. Needs a muffler. The muffler's shot. Oh, maybe you will have to. Like I said, it hasn't.
I've never seen one this nice on the inside.
Look at his little bit of patina on his
Look at the headline.
I know. He's beautiful.
Look at the gate. Tack work. Oh, tack's not working, but that's. Yeah, I've never seen that.
Beautiful.
Pull up on that T-handle.
There. Yeah. And now you can let the clutch out. And then if you pull that knob out, the bed will go on.
Look at you.
Banana rammer?
Ray Charles. I don't know. My eyes are gone. I can't see it. Look at this guy. Oh, for Christmas is my two front teeth. My two front teeth.
Here's Woody.
I know you named it Bullfrog, and that's so appropriate. This guy's cute. I can't wait to get him back to the farm.
This is a 55 GMC. I call him Old Yeller. Boomer.
We're gonna name it Donut. Don't it go out and dig holes? Don't it go out and set posts? Don't it move that big pile of bushes? This is Donut.
Homer, my tow truck. Smokey the fire truck.
Tons of original, correct frames. I've got a lot of cabs in here, and a lot of them are in good shape. Chevy and GMC cabs, so pretty much could build whatever truck someone wanted built. So, like I said, I can build pretty much whatever you need from the ground up. That's a truck chick right there. Not a bad old truck, actually. Pull around back, you grab it.